Hey everybody, this is Scott and this is PK.EDU, where we try to answer your questions about PK grills and cooking outside in general. Christian Robin asked if we have any good methods for reusing leftover charcoal from a previous cook. Let me show you what I do. So what I've got here, if you want to come over here, some of this charcoal has been really cooked down, you know, into tiny bits. And then here's a piece that really didn't catch at all. This is all good usable fuel. I'll take a chimney and I'll put some new charcoal down in the bottom, because when you light a charcoal chimney, you know, you put your paper down here and it's going to light these guys on the bottom. So I'll put some fresh charcoal down on the bottom, just a few pieces. And then I'll just pile this used charcoal in the top. All right, I need some paper. Sunday's Art and Leisure section. Chris Rock tried to warn us. Sarah Paulson. No offense to any of those individuals, by the way. A little fire. And we're just going to let that chimney start right up and check back in with it in a minute. All right, so with these used coals, it's a little hard. Normally the method is, you know, you've got a black coal in here, and when it starts to turn white, you know your coals are hot. With used coals, they're already a little white. So, but you can see here in the chimney, we've got flame coming through. We've got orange flame coming through. So I'm going to go ahead and dump that. There's our chimney of coals. That is blazing hot, and we're ready to go. I'm gonna close the lower vents, turn it off, so I'm shutting down the oxygen. I'm gonna close the lid. These vents are closed right here. I'm not allowing any oxygen into the capsule. We're gonna shut these coals down. Start our timer. You got the bead, you see the bead?
Oh yeah.
And the temp. After 25 minutes, those coals have dropped down to below 100 degrees. We successfully lit a chimney of coals, partially reused coals, fired it up, and then took it all the way back down again. That was fun. We enjoyed getting your comments and sorting through all of them and deciding what we were going to shoot this week. Let's do it again next week. Leave your comments on these videos and let us know what you want us to talk about next. We would love to hear from you.